Buttercup, what are you doing? Why you gotta bother Bella for all the time? What a pain in the ass.
She does when we talk about her. Hey, Hannah, you okay?
She's... My dog is so annoying. He doesn't want to, like, leave Bella alone. Never, look. All day. Poor Bella. Where's Bella?
She's drinking water.
He's even gonna bother her there? Look. Bella, go get her. Go get him. Come on, Bella. Go get him. Let me see your face. Let me see. Look at the face getting mad.
I want my mom here for me for every step of the wedding, but I just know that that's not going to happen.
The bride has been nasty all day, and now we know
Bella, what are you going to do about it?
her mother, who is not here.
Bella, what are you going to do?
You know, grew up thinking that it would be the thing that me and her would have.
Let me see your face.
Gone through it, we'd have this magical mother and daughter moment. And I saw that.